Over 400 people visited our library last month. Staff at the sports center are not enabled between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. All new students have to be registered while Mr. Clark picked the end of Friday. Provided all equipment has been coded and stored, a student may leave the classroom. What types of components do the majority of IT students bring after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continuing use of the private vehicles was the result of the worsening air pollution.